I've come to join the party. Oh.
Now I'm looking at this course from this angle. It looks all different to me.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't see the part of the center.
Okay, let's stand in the shade. Watch out for the tire. Oh, sorry. Understeers like crazy.
Oh, you good? You good? Hold on. Hold on.
Let me get in on that. No, that did not work. That made it worse. Sorry.
Mind pushing me, tipping me forward? Thank you. Start from a dead start.
Dude.
Alright. They have an air compressor?
I don't know. Is it a generator?
I just realized they have an air compressor.
You're stuck? Oh no. Whoops. Oh my god.
Oh, no.
Doesn't take much.
It doesn't take much. Do you have, are there some midnight smoking parts on there?
No, I'm spray painted some of it. So.
Ah. Oh my god.
Oh no.
Oh, you got stuck? Sorry.
You're right, you're right. I'm gonna cut.
It's like, who would design such a bad car?
You're just trying to drive something bad car good.
Oh. No, you're fine, you're fine. Oh, that's to clean out the cars.
my thing.